guys, what's up? Today is Saturday and I'm so excited because this wind is blowing my hair everywhere. I'm so excited because I'm hanging out with my cousins today and we are at this wine vineyard. So I want to show you guys what this looks like. It is so cute. It's actually a nice breeze, so it's not too hot, it's not too cold, but it's enough breeze. But anywho, I want to take you guys on today's adventure at this winery. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's go. Playing music over there, but the weather is really nice. It makes you want to say, oh, I want to dance with somebody, I want to feel the heat with somebody.
All weather, and I was like, I would be more, but just imagine outside. Yeah. Anyway, I want to more out, but these leaves turning colors. So I get a great time. Yeah.
So nice out here, y'all. So there's a wedding that's actually about to happen right over here. There's a wedding about to happen at this vineyard. So that's really cute. This vineyard is really cute. Alright, y'all, so we are now leaving the vineyard. It was okay. I've had better wine, but for the vibe of just connecting and having great conversation with my cousins, that was a vibe. The scenery was very serene and very nice and just chill. But the food, not so much. I didn't even show you guys the food. I had a flatbread, barbecue chicken flatbread. It was okay. It was a lot of cheese, not enough chicken and barbecue sauce. So that was that. But now my cousin and I are heading to get some food, real food, and I will check in back with you guys later. It does. Comment down below if you like Ruth Chris. I don't know the other steakhouses. Comment down below your favorite steakhouse. Wherever you are from, your city, let me know down below. I've never been to Ruth Chris. This is my first time, so this is I'm gonna be comparing it to a lot of other steakhouses, but comment down below. First order of business. Look at this. We need to clean this.
Oh, it's not cleaned up.
So hype about Ruth Chris. What is up, you guys? So I am heading into a bridal shower. I'm a little bit late, but you know. Welcome back to a vlog. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the vlogs. And I did not have time to like do a get ready with me, so I'll show you guys an outfit when I get inside. is how we closing out the vlogs. Okay, so I just want to say thank you so much for watching today's vlog. Comment down below other things that you want to see here on my channel, as I always mention, and give this video a thumbs up for more vlogs. There's so much footage that I have to edit and continue on with, and behind the scenes type of things, but I appreciate y'all sticking it through. I know my vlog's probably all over the place, but nevertheless, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you guys so much for your support, your continuous support, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Love, peace, and beauty. Bye.